Welcome to FKrider 00. Today, we're reviewing the Suzuki GS 2025, a bike known for reliability, comfort, and everyday practicality. Let's see what makes this 150 cubic centimeters commuter a solid choice in 2025. Engine and performance. The Suzuki GS comes with a refined 150 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine designed for smooth power delivery and long-term durability. It offers responsive acceleration for city traffic and steady performance on open roads. Gear shifts feel balanced, making daily rides stress-free. Ride comfort and handling. Comfort is a strong point. The upright riding posture, wide seat, and well-tuned suspension help absorb bumps easily. Whether commuting daily or riding longer distances, the GS stays stable and predictable, even on uneven roads. Fuel efficiency. Suzuki focuses on efficiency, and the GS delivers excellent mileage for its class. It's a budget-friendly option for riders who want low running costs without sacrificing performance. Design and build quality. The 2025 model keeps a classic, clean design with practical touches. The build quality feels sturdy, paint finish is neat, and overall durability is a big plus for long-term ownership. Brakes and safety. With reliable front and rear brakes, the bike provides confident stopping power for daily use. The braking setup is simple yet effective, suitable for city and highway riding. Final verdict. The Suzuki GS 2025 is a dependable, fuel-efficient, and comfortable motorcycle. Ideal for commuters and riders who value reliability over flashy features.